Alright folks, we're out here at the old Manitou Lake this morning. Do a little fishing. Me and Clifford over here right now, about 5:30 in the morning, not a soul around. So we're gonna see if we can catch a little fishy here, and hopefully, and see what happens. Y'all stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of Let Her Rip Fishing. All right, just see. Oh, there you go. This fucking thing working or not?
Whenever I try to throw it hard, it just goes wherever I want to.
This thing on, or what are we doing here?
You got it in a gear, or?
What's the deal here? Hey there, you got one, huh? Alright guys, change of plans. I don't know if you can see that white turd over there floating, but trolling motor ain't working. Can't figure out what the hell's going on with it. We've tried the fuses and everything else, but trolling motor dead in the water, so we're bank fishing, I guess, for a little bit. So giving a little boat a little dangle off the pier here, or not pier, but whatever you're gonna call it. So, not what we got up at 4 o'clock in the morning for. Good old boat life, I guess. But maybe we'll catch a fish or 2 or 3 here. Won't be quite for not, maybe. Clifford already caught one. It wasn't quite as big as his lure, but it was a fish nonetheless. I threw off my buzz bait first cast, so
But I did get to catch it.
That's right. We're hooked up. All right. We're good. Very good. All right. Nice. Nice little fish. Back. There, catching big ones today. That is a big old perch, though, isn't he?
Yeah, it is.
Alright. Nice. But I know I almost put money on it, that's what it is, but
Yeah, it's gotta be. Yeah, it's gotta be.
there we caught us a decent one. Not bad. Little Texas rig. Hey, buddy. Just Texas rigging it. Well, we picked up a couple fish there anyway. Go over here to the other side, see if we can't find something else to catch here, hopefully. Gosh, Sam. She's a biggin. She's a biggin. Oh, calm down, buddy. Nope, just calm down a little bit. There you go. Come out there, hook. Yeah, I see, that's a biggin. Somewhere. That's considered a biggin somewhere. Thank you, bud.
Peeing.
Huh?
Peeing.
Oh, yeah. Alright, guys, we rolled over here to the dam. No, we don't have a trolling motor. But Clifford's over here catching stuff already. But we'll figure what the heck. We'll see if we can go with the flow here.
Mustard and bone. Whatever the hell.
Maybe we can catch a few fish before we get out to the middle of the pond. No reason why I did it, but I did it.
That's $20 for the day.
Yeah, ain't bad.
Not including tax.
Yeah.
Actually not, because I bought them in on sale. Probably closer to $15, but still.
Right.
Don't matter. Does not matter. Borrow your eyes, are they any better than mine?
I guarantee you, my eyes ain't any good. If you gotta borrow mine, you are in trouble, brother man. What we got here? What we got here? We got us a biggin. It's big enough.
Yes, look at you go.
Big enough. He ate my arm. So I'm gonna say he did a good job. Yeah, heck yeah, man. Look at there, little fat guy. Little fat guy.
Yeah, got the gabanger on there. You're gonna slow fish. I'm gonna try my whatever the hell this thing is. I've been
throwing. All right. I got him hooked, but
there's a big one.
I got him hooked. But we got him. He was like 400 miles away. It seemed like. Oh, he's a fighter, boy.
Shooter.
He is a fighter. I like it. All right. No doubt. The heck, man.
You should have caught that fish, though.
Apparently
buddy.
so. Well, see, I was in the right place, and then you threw yours on top of it. What do? You know? He grabbed the next thing that fell down on top of him. Go. Oh, he fought for a second, didn't he?
Yeah.
Then he quit.
And he said, screw it, I give up.
Yeah, fought for a second, and he's like, nah, I'm done.
I'm done with that. Another.
Yeah,
Thank you.
we'll get him. Took a while.
Yeah.
We don't.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. That one on the old shaky head. Kind of like to eat it, he did. Yeah, there, that's a little bit gooder, more gooder fish. Got a fat belly on him.
He's a fat little belly.
Buddy, been eating a lot, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, look at the gut. Your gut looks like mine, look at it. See? All right.
Well, quit eating.
Thank you, Har.
Bud.
Boy, all right, so there are still some fishes in here.
Couple.
As well be. I mean, look at that little
right.
feller. I mean, come on. Look at that guy. He just,
Come on, little buddy.
hell, he didn't even catch him. He snagged it. No, it's in his lip.
It's in his face.
I'll say, does that even count when you get one?
They're big, but he's in the face.
Let me get closer
Yeah,
so we
get
see
close.
it. There you
See,
go.
that's how Bill Lance does it.
Oh, there.
We should have been flipping it.
Yeah, I was gonna say they're in this.
We could, like I say, we get a good deal.
Yeah,
But hard to do that right now. That's a little better fish, huh?
yeah. Yeah, man. Good. Good, bro. What are you doing?
I'm trying to kill it.
There we go. Finally, one on the crankbait. Holy cow. Alright guys, we made her back to the shop here, got the boat put away. Come to find out, you know, we didn't have a trolling motor. We come to find out, we got back here and I hooked the battery, or plugged it all back in to charge and stuff, and the charger made a little funny sound. I was like, that doesn't seem right. So I thought, I wonder if the battery was dead and the charger just didn't charge. So I put a jump box to it and the trolling motor worked great. So apparently my charger, onboard charger is not working. So that's good and bad. So at least the trolling motor's working. So I got another charger already plugged up to it. So we'll get it working then, hopefully from now on. But you know, still we had a pretty good day. We just floated back and forth up the dam there and caught some fish from the bank. So it was just kind of all over the place. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. We enjoyed fishing. It was good. So yeah. I do appreciate you guys watching, hanging out with us there, and give us a big thumbs up. Hit that little subscribe button for me and the little bell there on the side. And hey, stay tuned. We got some more stuff coming at you. Appreciate it, guys.